kailangang kunin mula sa pool.
May nakita akong dalawang bag po. Sa swimming pool, magiging mabilis to, magiging mas madali sa amin.
Honestly, in the beginning, Kuya, I was a bit discouraged because we got the most amount of bags and the odds were against us.
Ang inyong final Ligtas Pares Challenge ay magsisimula na in 3, 2, 1, go!
Come back! Behind you! Behind you!
Layo, no? Pre, bilis mo doon, dali!
Go young! Faster! 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 Kung mabilis nakuha ng Mayward ang bag sa ilalim ng pool, ang ibang pares tila mas natagalan.
May kukunin. Hindi siya makalubog, pre. Ganun kalayo ulit.
Challenging siya, kuya, kasi like for me, hindi po ako mabilis gumalaw. Especially po, kuya, kung may pabigat pa na dadalhin.
Isip ko kanina kung makakaahon ba ako ng mabilis. Buti naman po, medyo umimpis na ako.
Just getting the bags. I guess our plan was just to work our way from the outside in, just so it was organized.
Alam na namin na kailangan namin lumangoy na as fast as we can.
Habang kinukuha pa ng ibang pares ang bag sa ilalim ng tubig, ang Team Mayward nag-uumpisa ng buuin ang kanilang puzzle.
Focus on what you do. If it's smaller, the piece is bigger. So like that. Yes?
For the puzzle itself, you didn't have to just look at how the puzzle looked. You can look at the size of the blocks itself. Because there was a base, and it was uneven. So if you had a big puzzle piece, it would go on a smaller base.
Bilis, 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 bilis!
Dami ko na inom ng tubig, Game.
No. The odds were against us, being just 4 points into the game and then having to pick up 10 bags on the water. That takes up a lot of time.
Start at the center.
Happy just a match.
Bibigay ko yung tiwala ko kay Tanner na siya yung maglalagay magte-test ng pieces. Ako mag-organize ng pieces para pwede kami magtrabaho ng sabay-sabay at walang baglaan.
Kaya ba siya ang taas? Mas nahirapan kami kasi nga hindi siya ordinaryong puzzle, kuya.
Expect ko na dun talaga sila mahirapan kayo sa puzzle kasi ako ngayon lang po nakakita ng ganung puzzle din.
Bukod sa pagbuo ng puzzle, nagsimula ring mahirapan ng Team Maclis ng si Elise.
It's burn. Ouch. My legs burn.
Kaya lang.
Sige lang.
Sige.
Nailoko. Yung legs ko po, kuya, hindi ko po maitayo. Kaya inupo ko na po.
Isa kaya lang.
Sige lang.